Landmark Systems has been supporting rural businesses for over 30 years. We provide award-winning business management software to farms, estates, and rural professionals. Our software helps our customers to manage all elements of business administration to drive performance and productivity. In fact, it is already trusted by the managers and landlords of over 100,000 properties in the UK, covering every type of property and tenancy. And our property managing clients range from estates looking after their own portfolios to national firms of agents. Keyprime Property, which integrated with Keyprime Accounts, provides a single database for all property records, income and expenditure. This can be for whole estate management or the management of multiple landlords through a central bank account. The way we work is changing. Perhaps you or members of your team now need to work from home more often. With our Keyprime software, this is easy. Users can log in from any PC anywhere. Keyprime Property and Keyprime Accounts bring all elements of your property management, record keeping, and accounts under one roof. Every single property, tenant, tenancy, and management action you create will feed into your whole system diary. Look after your own and your clients' accounts. From the VAT return to the landlord settlement, keep it all in one place. Report on day-to-day management tasks and arrears right the way through to the P&L. Easily store and access your property documentation, invoices, and correspondence on each property's record in Keyprime, so you can say goodbye to bulky office filing cabinets. Simply add your utility readings to Keyprime, and it will calculate, create, and send the invoices in one step. Manage and report on day-to-day tasks from tenant request through to work completion by tradesperson. In fact, as soon as you log a task in Keyprime Property, your chosen contractors can be notified through our Workflow app. As and when they complete the job, the record in Keyprime Property is updated, saving you time on chasing for updates. We work closely with third parties like Pear Technology. If you use their mapping software, you can gain access to all Keyprime Property information from within it. Great for creating management maps. Our aim is to streamline your property management and administration, and we listen to feedback. We are the market-leading provider of rural property management software, and we pride ourselves on being able to tailor our programs to your business's requirements. Keyprime Property will improve communication both within your business and with your tenants, clients, and contractors. Instructions for inspections, certifications, and review notices are automatically emailed to your managers and contractors, letting them know of upcoming work. There's also an inbuilt mail merge function, so writing correspondence and agreements couldn't be easier. One thing we always make clear to our clients is that if your team commit the effort into keeping as much information as possible in Keyprime Property, you will reap the rewards, especially when it comes to reporting power. As well as management and compliance reports, let Keyprime Property produce your portfolio performance reports, forecast your annual income, and even calculate the accruals and prepayments. A task that might otherwise take your accounts team days to do manually. To meet the ever-increasing legislation, Keyprime ensures that compliance is as simple as possible.
We need to comply with a whole raft of legislation, that whether it's electrical testing, EPCs, asbestos surveys, etc. And more all of that information is going onto the Landmark system so that it's a one-stop reference point. The main use I make of the Keyprime system tends to be the diaries, so I'm particularly looking at lease ends, I'm talking at rent reviews. Also, the debtor system is something that's forever relevant, and we're looking at it on certainly a weekly, probably a daily basis.
While you can set up Keyprime Property as a standalone program, your office will see the most improvements in efficiency if you use Keyprime Property in conjunction with Keyprime Accounts. Why? Because the two are dynamically linked, meaning that financial transactions recorded in one are automatically and immediately visible in the other. This means that as soon as your accounts team record expenditure or a rent received in Keyprime Accounts, your property team will be able to see this in Keyprime Property. Gone are the hours spent by teams chasing each other for information. Your accounts team will find Keyprime Accounts easy to use. Like Keyprime Property, it is designed to be flexible and forgiving. To ensure RICS compliance, you can restrict the access rights of individual users. Only one administrator need have the ability to edit bank details. Furthermore, managers can be restricted to read-only rights to remove the risk of unexpected edits being made. How will your office benefit? By reducing the amount of time your teams spend entering data into management systems, you'll be working smarter. Having a system that allows teams to view the information they need instantly will improve workflow and office relationships. You'll be streamlining existing processes, which in turn lead to greater team output and productivity. All of this means that you'll be able to provide a better service for your clients. We understand that change can be unsettling, so we make sure the transition to using Keyprime is as easy as possible. We make setting up straightforward with our code import feature. This means you can take codes from your existing system and use them in Keyprime for continuity and familiarity. In addition, you'll also have a member of the Landmark training team out on site to help your colleagues as much or as little as you need. We don't just sell software. One of our favorite elements of what we do is ensuring that our software works for you. Our teams of consultants, trainers, and software support work together to ensure that our products are always fit for your business and that your teams are getting the most out of them.
Quite naturally, when people are setting up new systems, their major concern is have I got time to set up this new system, and am I going to be able to make it work? And that's a really important part of what we do to ensure that we're actually making that system, getting that system up and running, rather than purely delivering the software.
You don't have to take our word for it. We have countless positive reviews from a huge variety of customers who are seeing the benefits Keyprime software brings to their business. If you would like more information or an initial discussion on what we could offer your business, then please call us on 01798 877 100 or email info@landmarksystems.co.uk to be put in touch with your local consultant. We can't wait to help streamline property management and drive productivity for your business.